morning because I'm a butterfly, guys. Fly, 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 a butterfly.
Okay.
Yeah. Bring you home.
We're in the train, guys. Hi, guys! You say hi, guys, to Mommy.
Ito na malamig.
Mommy, why are you talking so slow?
Wala.
Mommy, can I go to the ride? Mommy, can I go to the ride? There's a rides there. There's a spinning one.
Gabriel says there, so there will be a possibility of it getting up there. I don't know if it will fit in the elevator, but... Right, so that's for you to keep. And then now I need to give you these documents. So this is an energy performance certificate.
Hi, guys, we're going to our new house. Let's check our house. It's so new. And then we're gonna cook.
Go! Not yet, but today.
Hold my hand. Our family.
Please tell your nursery.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So, today is 29th of January. Nandito kami sa Woolwich. Papunta kami sa uupahan naming bahay. So, galing kami sa office. Kakapirma lang namin ng mga documents. Nakita na to ni Oscar yung bahay, pero ako hindi pa namin nakita ni Carissa. This would be our first time na makita yung bahay. So, empty siya. Makikita nyo mamaya, guys. Babalikan ko kayo. Ito yung apartment na lilipatan namin, guys. Ito yung Sainsbury. Patabi lang. After this, baby. So, ayan, dito na kami titira. Hi, this is Rachel's card. He said that I need to present it to you so we can have the fob.
Folding the key.
Okay. 311. Same with our unit in Travelodge 11.
Ow!
311. Okay.
Thank you.
Here's the fob. Yeah. Okay.
What about the other one? What's that? Ba't may isa pang, may dalawa pang lang? So, nasa isang building kami. Baka key yan ng ano, try mo yan yung key na binigay mo. Look for 311, baby. It's It's 371.
Ay, ito rin yun.
It's 311.
Yan eh. Hindi naman ito eh.
Baby. Ayan, no?
Pat dulo lang. Ano, sige.
Yun yung aming, ang tawag niyan, mailbox. Hanggang 10th floor. Pero nasa 3rd floor lang kami.
What? Hey! Where's the little thing? Go down 4. 3 is our floor. It's 3.
Are you excited to see the house? It's not new. It's old.
Paano pa tayo makapunta na ito? Anong oras na?
But it's you, Mommy. It's you. It's you. It's not old.
Sir, 3.
2.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh no.
Why?
Whee! Oh, we're here. Well, look.
3rd floor.
Kaya mo siguro kaso kaya rin kang tawag lang. Saan ka mo? Left.
Parang nasa
Okay.
hotel lang tayo ah.
Oh, this one.
Ito na yung bahay natin, baby.
Yay.
311.
This one here. Wow.
Hmm?
Dito.
Buksan mo nga yan.
Dito yan. Ito ang
Ah, baby, may bathtub pala, baby.
Ayun nga pala, nakalimutan ko ba?
Yay!
It's mommy and daddy's room.
You can have a shower here. This is the room. You can have a shower.
Ay, meron palang dalawa pala bathroom, daddy.
You can have a shower, Mommy.
Dalawa palang bathroom. Meron tayong personal.
Di ba okay na? Kung saan yung pangit?
Kailan man nilang pininturahan to? Praboghan bago.
Eh, yung matagal na. Kasi binago yung carpet.
Ay, bago yung carpet?
Bago.
Ano ba itong brate?
Siguro yung, siyempre, damit na marami ng mancha.
At least, inayos nila. Yan, empty po yung aming bagong flat. Pero ang kagandahan, 2 room siya. May room si Carissa sarili. At meron kaming sariling, meron kaming sariling bathroom, shower. Yan naman. Ay! Yan. Yan. Tapos, ito kay Carissa. Wala lang, napansin ko, ba't walang walang lagayan ng damit? Ba't walang cabinets? Yan lang ang problema, walang cabinets. Ba't walang cabinet? Sabi mo, meron. Tapos ito, meron pala kami isang banyo. 2 pala ang banyo namin. Ba't walang kabinet?
kitchen, Mommy. Go up here.
Ito yung aming
Look, go up here.
wala lahat.
This is how you want to eat. And you can cook here. And then there's the oven when you cook pizza.
Kaya na. Huwag na tayo magtagal.
Your hair. What happened to your hair?
Ba't yung ilaw, hindi lahat na ilaw?
Kutsu, kutsu.
Ayun eh, walang bombilla.
Ito. Eh. Oh, ito. Sinubukan mo ba to? I-on. Ayaw mag-on. Hmm. Hmm. Sige na.
Lock it.
Ito yung tinutukoy ko na switch on, guys. Ito. Ito yung sa
Turn off it,
oven.
Daddy.
Ito yung fuse niya.
Ayun nga, okay.
Naka-off siya. So, dapat na in-on para gumana yung oven. Tapos, ito guys, ito yung switch on ng cooker. Baby, ano masasabi mo sa bahay?
It's so cool.
Why cool? Why cool?
Let's go down, let's go.
So guys, yung yung bahay, empty din siya katulad nung nasa Spain. Ang naging kagandahan lang dito, dalawa may sarili kaming
Mommy,
bathroom, yeah?
Mom, I want to pee.
O ka na.
Can I take off my bag?
Yeah. Okay naman yung place. Ang problema lang, as in empty. Cabinet pati, wala. As in
Take off my
cabinet, wala.
jacket.
Wala din yung table. Eh, mahirap po lang table. Mahirap maglipat-lipat na mga table tayo.
Hindi na tayo bibili ng table. Pagkatagalan natin yan. Yung mga pulot, yun na lang ilalagay natin. Huwag ka mag-alala. Kaya nga ako nag-iipon ng tools. Yan ay katitipid natin. Madali lang ang table. Instant. Pag may nakita ko plywood dyan,
Bibi, hawakan mo itong gamit ni Mami.
Buy me something small. I want treats.
Treats.
Yeah.
Kain na lang tayo ng dinner.
Mommy, what's
Yun
this?
ang kasama ng plug. Pagka dumating ang panahon, ang naluma na, ang sama na, hindi ito pwedeng baguhin.
Mommy,
Kung pwede mo nang baguhin, sarili ng bahay.
this?
Mm.
What's this?
Caution.
No.
In the event of fire, do not use this lift.
Why?
Which is not working na dahil may fire.
But who
You
takes,
will be stuck inside the elevator.
But who takes Why would they fire it?
No, just in case there's a fire.
Doors closing.
Go, 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 go.
Traffic dito sa umaga.
Ground floor.
Sabay-sabay, sumasakay.
Doors opening. Lift going up.
And then we're gonna buy I'm so hungry. I want to buy something.
Ano bibili mo daw?
Snacks.
Diyan na lang, baby, oh, sa Poundland. Alcohol. Wala tayong alcohol. Bili tayo alcohol. Saan ba may alcohol? May Poundland.
I'm getting so hungry.
Hungry. Magtagalog ka. Sabihin mo. Mami, gutom ako. Sabihin mo.
Mommy, gutom ako.
Ano, ulitin mo. Sabihin mo kay daddy.
No,
Sabihin mo kay daddy.
no, 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 no.
Ay, baala ka. Sabihin mo kay mami. Mami,
Mommy,
gutom ako.
Mommy, gutom ako.
So, yung location ng nakuha naming flat, guys, okay, very good siya. Paglabas mo ng flat, ayan, ano na siya, puro bilihan na. Bilihan na siya. May nakita na akong fish market doon. Ayan. May Poundland. May Poundland. Tapos may, ano, may Sainsbury na sa labas ng ano namin flat. So, location and business area. Okay na. Naku. Tapos walking distance lang yung McDonald's.
Mommy, I want to go to McDonald's.
Doon na tayo sa Pinoy store kain. Dahil na.
Daddy! You want Daddy?
Okay na.
Hi guys! We're back home in Travelodge because because we're back because I'm so tired. And then we buy. And then I got out my card. Okay.
What card is that?
It's for our Travelodge. Here. Here. Maybe here. Come on, Daddy. Open the present.
Sabay tulak na.
Oh. It's still alive. Are you serious? What?
ba't na ganyan yan?
Yun.
Ha?
Nahangin ang pinto.
Ano hangin ang pinto?
It's so hard. Turn off the light here, Daddy.
Tawag na baby, tawag na.
No, Daddy. Mommy, can you
May
turn off?
babay ka na muna sa guys.
Bye, guys.